Today, we'll show you how to assemble the LUMI rocker. Components: rocker base, toy bar, remote control, USB power cable, and seat. First, join the base of the rocker with the seat. Insert the pin of the seat into the opening of the base. If you hear a clicking sound, this means you have inserted it correctly. The toy bar is assembled by sliding it into the frame. Lift the rocker by the base and the seat. Never hold it by the bar. LUMI can be powered using a USB cable, which is included, which you can connect to the back of the base. The base also has a compartment for batteries. To insert batteries, unscrew the lid in the base and insert the batteries as per the indicated polarity. Then close the lid. By sliding the buckle next to the cushion, you can set it higher or lower so that your child is comfortable. The rocker features a safety harness that can be easily mounted at 2 different heights. All you need to do is clip it into the different position into the seat. Remove the safety harness, pull it through the openings in the seat on both sides. Then clip them into the buckle. That's it. Now let's check out LUMI's functions. The rocker has a rocking function that is activated when the button is in the raised position. The rocking function cannot be activated in its locked position. The LUMI rocker can be controlled using the remote control. The second method is using the panel. You can use it to turn the rocker on and off. And these buttons can be used to adjust the rocking intensity, turn music on and off, switch between songs, and set the rocking duration. The rear of the base has a place to connect a pen drive with your own music files. You can also turn on music from your phone. Just turn on the Bluetooth and choose Swing Chair. The cover cushion and toy bar can be wiped down with a damp cloth. To unfold the rocker, remove the bar, then press the button at the rear of the base and lift the seat using a firm movement. Now you know everything about LUMI. Enjoy!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.